Alright guys, to start off, I'm taking MAC's Paint Pot in Constructivist and applying this all over my eyelids as my base. Then I'm picking up this camel shade from the Colorpop palette and applying this as my transition. With this shade from the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, I'm going to blend out the edges. Next, with this shimmery shade from the palette, I'm going to pack this on a flat brush and onto the outer V. And then I'm just going to softly blend the edges out with this EcoTools blending brush. I'm picking up this shimmery orange shade from the Coral Obsessions palette and then applying this to the center of my eyelids. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going in with this Shayla Colorpop highlighter, and I think this is in the shade Boomin'. To add a little bit more definition to the crease, I'm going in with these two shades from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm picking up this really deep pink shade from the palette, and I'm going to be packing that onto the outer V to add more contrast and deepen it up a little bit more. And with the deep chocolate brown eyeliner, I'm actually going to be lining my upper and bottom lash line. And then I'm also going to smoke this out with that deep pink shade and using an angled liner brush. I'm applying this warm terracotta shade right on top of the eyeliner at the bottom lash line. And then I'm just taking that fluffy brush and softening the edges. To further intensify the bottom lash line, I'm picking up this burgundy shade from the palette and packing this right on top. I'm going to tightline with this black eyeliner by Rimmel. And also smudge out the bottom lash line. Finally, for the lips, I'm going in with the Anastasia Liquid Lipstick in Ashton. I'm going over it with the Melted Chihuahua by Too Faced. And finally topping it off with the NARS lipstick in Barbara. I'm quickly setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and then applying some mascara to my bottom lashes to finish off the look. And that completes my first fall look for 2018. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!